This is Mr. Hardesty. Let's solve a quadratic equation. Solve 2x squared minus 52x plus 338 equals 0 by using the quadratic formula. In our equation, 2x squared minus 52x plus 338 equals 0, we recognize a quadratic equation in standard form. Our lead coefficient, 2, will represent a. b, our linear coefficient, is negative 52, and our constant, c, is 338. We know that we can input those values into the quadratic formula. The opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we'll substitute a, b, and c, and we'll solve for x. The opposite of b will mean positive 52, plus or minus the square root of negative 52 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 338, all over 2 times a, which is 2 times 2. We plugged b in these two spots in our formula. A was 2 and 2. And finally, C, 338, was here. Now let's simplify. Under the radical, negative 52 to the second power is 2,704 minus the product of 4 and 2 and 338 is also 2,704, all over 2 times 2, which is 4. In our next move, we can see that when we simplify, our difference under the radical is 0. And in our next step, we know that the square root of 0 is 0. And suddenly, we're left with 52 over 4, which simplifies to 13. Our solutions to this quadratic are really just one. This parabola, if we were to graph it, will touch the x-axis at one place, and that is positive 13.